Having good hygiene is incredibly important. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how blind people do laundry. The first thing we need to do is separate everything by color. Whites go with whites, and colors go with colors. For someone like T, it is a lot easier, since there is still remaining vision. However, some people who have no vision need some additional tools. Some people are able to tell by texture. Apps with color recognition features, like Seeing AI, help a lot with distinguishing between colors. Here is the app in action.
Red. White. Red and gray. Gray. White.
Once the clothes are inside the washer, it's time to start the cycle. Once again, if you're not able to see where the buttons are, it can be hard to locate them. A lot of blind people memorize the location of the buttons that they press commonly when washing their clothes. If they're using the washer for the first time, sometimes using apps like the one before can help. T has already used this washer at his college apartment multiple times, so he's already memorized where they are located. He's also able to use his camera to zoom in. Some people will also place thumbs on the buttons that they use. Here's how a blind person might use Seeing AI to read the buttons on the machine and the labels as well.
Wash iron 13 2 9 ring skin marine skin firming NT press speed wiggle.
We're washing now. Be back when we're drying. Now we're drying. Be back when it's time to fold. Now, we've got some organizing to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. See you next time.